This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the Solo 4 have enough charge and are paired to your phone. This avoids interruptions. Once paired, open the Beats app or the Bluetooth settings to verify firmware. Updates often enable ANC improvements. Now power on the headphones, put them on, and press the ANC or multifunction button to engage noise cancelling. This begins the process and lets you hear the change immediately, so you know the feature is active and ready for fine-tuning. Once ANC is active, open the Beats app to configure noise control. This is where you toggle ANC on versus transparency and choose levels. Use the available slider or presets to set how aggressive the cancellation is, because stronger ANC can change tonal balance. Also check your phone or source audio settings and disable any third-party sound enhancements that might conflict with ANC, as these can add latency or reduce effectiveness. By doing this, you control both the amount and quality of. To finish, test the Solo 4 in a noisy environment and listen for residual low-frequency noise or flapping. If you still hear a lot, make sure the cups seal against your head. Fit matters as much as settings. Once done, tweak ANC level or EQ for comfort. Save preferred settings in the app. If noise cancelling fails or sounds distorted, reset the headphones, repair them, and reinstall firmware via the Beats app. This clears glitches and usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.